Glueless. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing this super easy, super quick glueless install from Nadula hair. This wig is from Nadula and they sent me a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this is what the wig looks like. This unit is literally so perfect, super light and full. The hair on the wig is just so fluffy. It is literally super duper soft, and I'm living for it. This wig is super versatile as you are able to do a side part as well as the middle part, which I currently am wearing. Whenever I feel like switching over to a side part, I definitely am able to. So that is one thing that I love about Nadula's 5x5 closure wig. Super versatile, easy to install. All you have to do is just make sure you have the bands in the back in the right place and you are good to go. Like, this wig fits so snug like a glove. I usually tend to get like headaches if the wig is too tight, and this is just not it. And did I mention it was glueless? So literally, you see the comb, glueless, girl. And I am so here for this. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Nadula, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And without further ado, let me stop rambling and let's get into the tutorial. So this is the finished look. The wig that I have on my head is from Nadula hair. They sent me a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is a body wig, and this is just what it's giving. I did do the curls off camera, and I have a whole bunch of Nadula videos with a whole bunch of curling tutorials, so you could definitely go ahead and check it out. This hair is by far like one of the best body wave hairs that I've had. I literally did not have to curl train, and I'm living for it. You know how usually I'd go through and run the curls back about 2-3 times. I didn't have to do that. One curl, one pin, and it was good to go. And I definitely made sure I pin curled this hair beforehand. The curls are gorgeous. I went in the front and did like a light layer. So all I did was just took my razor comb and just combed it to how I wanted the curls to fall in the front, and this is how it looks. The curls are really bouncy, full of life. I know this is like some nice photo shoot here. Like, this hair just gives, and I am so here for it. So thank you, Nadula, for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am very much happy with how my hair turned out and how my hair looks. Shedding is really like a 2 out of 10. I'm not getting that much shedding. Tangling, this hair is as soft as butter. I'm not getting any bit of tangling whatsoever, so kudos to Nadula. Like, they just always have good quality wigs. They are a reliable company. Shipping this wig to me was super easy. So shipping takes about 3 to 5 days, and I love that. And not to mention that this HD lace closure was a match. I didn't have to do too much when it came onto tinting. It was literally like, oh, let me just run the brush of excess foundation on this, and it was just like that. The hair tinted, matched my skin tone perfectly, but the undertone of the lace is perfect because it definitely goes with how my actual skin is. And I think that's it. The hair has been good to me, and I will keep you all updated. This is definitely one of them staple wigs, holy grail wigs, some wigs that you know, oh yeah, I'm gonna grab my 5x5 closure wig because this is what I want to wear on a date night type of wig. Very much here for it. And if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box to do so. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.